Hello there, friends. Danny here from Danny's Dreams, stopping by with a Mail Day Thursday video. If you are new to my channel, Mail Day Thursday is where each Thursday I show 3 to 5 cards that I'm going to mail out that week, and I encourage you to send at least one. We make all of these cards, and I think that 2022 needs to be the year that we send these cards. I've had such a great response to this. It has made my heart so happy, and I just love that I have made a commitment, and so far I have followed through each week, and I've mailed those cards out. So, in no particular order, these are the cards that I will be sending out this week. There are 3 of them. This first one has this little girl. It's got a book. Looks like she's ready for school. But you could send it on to like a grandkid or your own kid, save it. And that's the inside. Next, I have a fun fairy that's from Crafting Kimmy, Whimsical Wishes. Some fun paper there. And then the last card that I'll be sending out is this cat. And on the inside it says, "A friend like you comes around once in 9 lives." So that's a super fun one. So again, these are the 3 cards that I will be mailing out. If you haven't already, in the description box below is a link to my Google form, and that is what I need you to fill out, your contact information, so that I can potentially send you a card. Again, it makes my heart so happy that I've had so many people reach out to me. So many people have said that they've been sending cards because of this. And that's the whole point. Let's make these cards and get them sent. So here's your weekly reminder. Go mail a card. I will get these in the mail. And until my next video, have an amazing day. Thanks so much for stopping by.